What's good, guys? In this very video I'm going to show you how you can create this minimal poster design. So first of all, we will create our document. Okay, so make sure you maintain these settings. Okay, then you click create. Now I'm going to bring in my texture. Okay, so we've just started creating the background, so I'm going to adjust it to fit the canvas. Okay, just to cover the whole canvas like this. All right, and I'm going to center it both horizontally and vertically. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to change the blend mode of it to difference. Okay, now I'll duplicate it like this. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to rotate it by holding shift like this. Then when I move to, I'll bring it down. Okay, bring it down like this. So I'm going to add a max to it, then come to edit, fill, then make sure the content is black. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to make sure my foreground color is white. Then I will paint white on the layer mask. Okay, so this is my brush settings. Okay, then I'm going to paint white to reveal the parts that I wanted to show. I'm assuming that you understand how layer mask works. Okay, so here the next thing I will do is I'm just going to group them and call it my background. Okay, so this is my background. Group it and call it BG. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bring in the image and I'm going to cut it out from the background of it. So rasterize it, come to my property panel and then click remove background. Photoshop is just going to do its magic. It's going to think through. Now it's good, so I'm going to apply the max. Yeah, because I don't need any max again. The selection was good, so I'll just adjust it like this. Okay, now I'm going to add layer a gradient map. Okay, but I have to make sure that my foreground color is black and white. Okay, before now I've added it. Now you can see the gray vibe. Okay, I really like gray posters. I don't know why though. Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle to cover the whole page. Okay, and I'm going to change the color to this color. Let me pick it from my swatch. This is the hex code, you can check it out. Okay, then I'm going to change the blending mode of it to linear light. Good. So let me select everything and lock it because I don't want any distraction. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my text. Okay, I'm using Poppins. It's one of my favorite. So I'll just text I said text no, type smile. Okay, yeah, type smile. Then adjust it. Let me expand it a little bit. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw lines. Okay, lines under it. I'll make sure that the stroke is gray. Yeah, and I'll hold shift then draw. Okay, so that it will give me a straight line like that. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate the line. Holding Alt will just help me to duplicate it like this. Yeah, now I'm going to hold shift and select all, then group it again. Now I'm just going to rotate it. Yeah, you know the type of grid that I'm using, the invisible grid, is called Axial. Okay, and this is how the composition looks like. Okay, whenever you are using Axial grid, this is how your composition will look like, or your layout will look like. Okay, so for those of you who want to know the type of grid that I'm using, it's called the Axial. Okay, yeah, so I'm just adjusting it. Okay, here, take your time, then do that. Okay, so I'll just adjust it like this. Yep. Okay, so you can use your arrow key to do that as well. Now I'm going to select these two lines and bring it down below the image. Okay, then so that I will not see the lines on the picture, you understand? So now let me add another text that is there: every day, anytime. Yeah, the message is smile every day, anytime, and I think that is a good thing. Okay, so let me lock everything, like I said, no distraction, and just type every day. Okay, you know, they say a beautiful face is, a beautiful smile makes a beautiful face. Yeah, something like that. I heard it. So as we did for the smile, we are going to do the same, but here I'm just going to draw one line. Okay, I'm just drawing one line. Yeah, I like quotes though. So I'll select the two of them, group them, and call it every day. Okay, then I'm just going to rotate it. Okay, you see, this is very simple. A beginner can do this. This is nothing difficult. You can just do it. Okay, so just adjust it this way, like that. Then yeah, I think it's good now. Okay, so I'm just going to select, then duplicate it. I'll do that, hold Alt and duplicate it like this. Okay, bring it to the top, then double click on the everyday, then type anytime. You understand? Okay, good. So I'm going to change the name to anytime. Yeah, it's good to smile for that one though, for sure. Yeah, so I'm going to bring the anytime. Okay, I'm bringing the anytime on top of the line, right, like this. Yeah, so that I don't know how I don't know why I'm doing this, but you just have to play around sometimes, you know, and that's where the magic comes. That's where it makes your work really nice. Yeah, that's me. Anytime I play around, I realize that my work is okay. Yeah, I think we are done. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you learned something, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like this video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.